What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another ball unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG model Southwest 737 New Mexico 1. This is 738, the updated New Mexico 1 livery, an aircraft. Obviously the 700s are kind of slowly being taken out of service and replaced by the new livery. The special liveries are kind of getting taken off the 700s as those are being retired. And they're putting them over onto the 800s, which I'm not opposed to. I think, it gives it, it's a much larger canvas for these specials, and I think it's pretty awesome. We're seeing them on the Maxes as well, and the 800s, and I think it's great. I'm sure that in the future when the Max 7s come into play, we'll see some specials back onto those as well. But for now, the 800s and the Maxes are taking them, and I think it's awesome. So yeah, here's the New Mexico 1 800. This is a September 2023 release. So it's been a minute, as I just got this now here, and it's November. But very excited to have this. November 8655 Delta. I'm surprised they haven't done the Nevada one yet, because that's also been transferred to a Dash 800. I'll be curious to see which other state liveries get transferred. Obviously, there's still, I think, Louisiana 1, Maryland 1. I want to say Lone Star, I think, is still on a 7. There's also California 1, I believe, that's on an 8 now. That, I think they still haven't made that. So there's a few that are, switching over. That it's going to be cool to hopefully get malls for in the future when it comes to from NG. It's one of those things. I'm just kind of talking on this on the Southwest special livery kind of thing. I really didn't grab much or many of the 700 special liveries. So when all these were on the 700s, I really don't have many of those, and it was mainly because I knew that at some point in time they were gonna phase the 700s out and either put them on the special liveries on the 800s or the Max 7s. So I figured, you know what? Yeah, sure. It would have been cool to have them in the collection and to kind of see the old New Mexico one now, the new one, the 700 versus the 800. But it was one of those things where I just kind of saved the money and I just saved it and waited for the updated ones. So, I don't think I'll ever be able to kind of go back and do like a retro, any retro updates from airports or anything in respect to throwing the old 700s or something in, but it's okay. I'm just happy to, be able to get some of these newer ones. That's kind of what, I wanted to do. But anyway, here's the box, looking very, very nice. I love the box art for this. Very, colorful, and it really stands out. This livery is actually pretty plain though. It's just really red, orange, and yellow. It's not really anything too special, but it's still pretty cool though, and it looks good on the Dash 800. So let's go ahead and open it up. Get the card. So here we have it, looking very, very nice. Oh, I'm so excited for this. All right. Oh, wow. Okay. Alrighty. Very, very nice. Very excited to have another Southwest special in the fleet. Very nice. This looks fantastic. Okay, well, let's get to it. Starting off here, got New Mexico 1 right there. Cockpit windows and the detail are always really good on this. The NG mole is fantastic. The gear is looking very good. 8655 there on the gear door. L1 door and the little heart, Southwest heart. Very nice. Moving along, you got that sort of the sun, I believe it is, like with his rays. I want to say that's what it is. Actually should have done my research. I do apologize. But yeah, representing New Mexico. Engines, which are the same yellow as the fuselage. Good overwing exit markings, and the wings are highly detailed. The splits, interestingly enough, are just gray. They are not painted in any way, which I thought was interesting. Maybe I thought they would have had them yellow or maybe red or something, but they're just plain, so that's interesting. Moving along, you got the antenna at the top there, and then you can see where the little beacon would be. If it'll focus. There we go. And then you got the Wi-Fi dome back there. Another little beacon. We'll zoom out his here a tad. Registration, November 8655 Delta. 8655 right there as well. The L2 door. Got the American flag, Southwest, and then the new updated hardtail. Looking very nice. Horizontal stabilizer and tail area looking very, very nice. Great detail around there. Great detail indeed. And now we're just spinning it around. Got the baggage door right back there. All the same great details on this side. And you got the baggage door right up front here. CFM engines look fantastic. Yeah, very nice. We'll zoom out. We'll take a look at the top down. Here's the top down view. Looking very, very nice. And then the bottom. Plain and simple. Got the little heart right here, which I think is a nice touch. Some great detail all around though. Gears looking very nice. And got the little tail stand bump right there at the back. Very nice as well. Great bit of detail. And overall, that's really it. But it's a very, very nice model. Looks fantastic. And I'm very excited to see some of the new ones. The more special liveries on the 8s or Maxes, whatever they put them on. Right now, obviously the Max, in terms of Maxes, we have the Desert Gold for Herb Keller. We have Canyon Blue for Colleen Barrett. And then we have the Imoa 1 special, the Hawaiian one. So it'll be interesting to see if any of these state liveries get put onto a Max. It seems like they're just putting them on 800s, which is also fine. And I'm excited, as I say, I'm surprised NG hasn't done Nevada one. I believe there's California's on the 8 now. There's a couple others they're all slowly getting thrown onto 8s. So I'm gonna be really curious to see Maryland one and Louisiana one, what they're gonna do with those, because those are probably two of the coolest ones. With the Pelican and then Maryland with that beautiful flag, with all the fancy designs and stuff or patterns on it and everything. So that'll be fun to see what they do with those. Because I never did get, I don't think I have Maryland one or Louisiana one in terms of the 700s. So to get those once they get them on an 8 or a Max 7 or a Max 8 or something would be awesome. It'll be fun to get those. But anyways, guys, very excited to have this model. Highly recommend it if you can get it, if it's not already sold out everywhere. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I will see you on the next one. Take care.